What's up, guys? It's Nicole, aka Crazy in Heels. Crazy, I'm totally bipolar, nuts crazy, and I'm forever and always, and forever in heels. True story. Anyways, today I want to talk to you guys about how to empower yourself as a crazy, how to embrace that, and then really feel like you are an empowered person, even though you're totally crazy, because like I say, when you manage this, you can, the possibilities are endless, but where are you getting that encouragement? Where are you getting that sense of self so that you can empower yourself to keep going, to feel confident, and to really be happy in life? So one of my suggestions would be to find something that is like a hobby that you really, really enjoy, that you make time for, and something that just kind of, when you get into it, time flies by and you lose track of time, because that really means that you enjoy it, that you love it, and it's just going to make you happy. And I know that maybe some of you just don't have the best jobs or the careers or maybe relationships that fulfill you, so make sure that you're doing something that you enjoy and that you make time for, and that makes you feel like you're doing something fun for yourself, you're taking care of yourself, especially if you're crazy, because if you find a hobby that's creative, I guarantee you it's just going to flow out of you, and you're going to really tap into a side of creativeness that you probably never knew was there. So I encourage you to find a hobby. Find something that you love to do, that you make time for, and that just makes you feel good. For me, there's a variety of things that I do, but I love to create artwork. I'll take a canvas, and just a blank one, and I'll take random things from around the house. Nuts, bolts, screws, old flowers. I'll spray paint them, buttons, and I'll just turn it into a piece of artwork, and I'll post those pictures for you so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. But that's one thing I do to just kind of take time for myself, and you just feel productive. You feel like you're not just being lazy, and that you're using your brain, and it just builds your confidence, because you're not just laying around the house and being sad or whatever else. So find something that you love, make sure you take the time to do it. You're going to feel good about yourself, you're going to be happy that you're being productive, and chances are you're probably more creative than you think. So get out there, find a hobby, and have fun in life, guys. Alright, we'll talk soon. This is Nicole, aka Crazy in Heels. Bye for now. Love you all. Mwah.